Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon or good evening. Dennis here and Ecolit family over here. Today I would love to start the small points of our each factory in the globe. And the starting point from here, from Indonesia. You can ask me and wondering why from Indonesia. Because it's a huge development with our system. It's the best example where we can implement the know-how that we are using with Ecolit in all around on the globe. Know-how, the teamwork, and machinery. I know, and you're always wondering and asking me, Dennis, from where, how to become the partner, what to do with the machinery in here, what's the regulations and norms for the States, what's the difference between UK standards and Eurocode, what's going on here in Indonesia, are they using the Australian codes or UK codes? So that's why I'm here today. So today there is a starting point to represent you the first facilities in Asia. The second one will be in Thailand. And if we're shifting, replacing our mind, replacing our view to the Middle East, we're in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Soon coming to Saudi Arabia. Also we are in Europe, in States, in UK, in Ireland and the Caribbean. The Guyana is the first flag in Caribbean. Join me, subscribe to the channel. Don't miss the new topics, don't miss new videos. And I will explain you how to become our partner. Our main mission and goal is to deliver the affordable living for the people, for you, for your projects, for your government project, for the social housing, for the security. I'm always triggered with the things that people food is a matter, of course, but the roof on the top of your head is most important. And my goal is my mission to deliver the affordable houses for the people, to make world a little bit confident with his future. So in this cozy space, I would love to say we have 200 square meters and we have two production lines. The line number one is manufacturing and delivering 89 system stats, which we are designing and manufacturing right here. The guys behind of me, they just controlling the CNC machinery and packaging the stats. Then after that, they replace them outside, whereas the people assembling the wall panels. The idea based on deliver the small affordable production units, where you can manufacturing and roll about 200 units in a year. So overall is about 20,000 square meters we can deliver yearly with the one single machine roll former. Over here, the assembly point, the point where the guys receive the ready structure, but based on the design drawings, we have markups, which machine is manufacturing. The markups to get the people easiest way to assemble the stats together. So what makes us different in compared with the other market manufacturers, guys in construction, that we have ready precision quality and components contain technical holes to put the plumbing and electricity wires. So after all, you just take it and click it together with the rivet, with the steel galvanized rivet. Let me show you. See, the easiest way, whereas non-skilled laborers can understand the system of light steel or cold formed construction. That's why the system, I'm always saying, there is no limitation to use the technology all around in the world, even on the mountains, on the seashore, whenever. Okay? So let's say sometimes the customers, developers saying, Dennis, I don't have laborers, I don't have such enough trained people to get assembly together. I say, guys, in one day, about 12 people can be granted with the new knowledges how to assemble it. Look, you just click it, you just fix it together and punch it. There is nothing things where you should think and sit and calculate something like that. But at the same time, the rivet working in the 90 degrees corner, exactly. But while you're using the screws, what makes different is that you can stick the screw and screw it under this or this corner. This is the mistake, because the laborers, they start let's say in there's risky and stress to avoid future punishing, they pull out the screw and trying to put the new one in the right shape. But it's already, you see, pre-drill it. This is not working the solution. then you stick the beams together. This is the wrong one with the screw like that. So the rivet, you just punch and forget. So over here you see the 3x4 panels. It's a huge element. From the first view, you can see like, oh, it's something tiny, weak, and you know, loose structure. I don't know what is it, like just something small beam. How you get the building from here? So I show you how, guys. You have ready the small elements setting up together with the precision quality, 90 degrees corners, and you have ready-made assembled staircase. See, this is just element. Here will be the second one, and then the stairs. Same time you have a wall panels. Wall panels, once they start assembled together, it makes completely reinforced structure. And you can imagine how in earthquakes it works. Look at, see, it's working, sorry. See, I am shaking and it's vibrating, flexing, see, like this. Same time you can see the test that they did in a couple of years ago in the CIS country in 9/8 scale Richter, Seismic. But the wall panel is much massive. See, it's about 4 by even 5 guys, 5 by 3 meters. Okay, you can see this is the opening, the window opening over here. And you can see how is the big one. Look. But the good thing that people can take it and deliver only like 2 or 3 stuff. They can put on the foundation and drill it, fix it together. As one of our Ecolit case right here, we have portable factory close to the site. You can imagine it's only 5 meters from the production line. This is the idea and concept how to save money, how to speed up construction and make more durable and quality control. So you can see the foundation over here, and we just in 4 days we set up the panels, floor joists, and cover with the roof trusses. So all of those scenarios take only 4 days with 5-member crew. Can you imagine how fast the construction method it is? So over here, 2-story building only. It's a 2 and 3 bedroom villas. We have 3-story apartments, but I'll show you in the future one. Here, what I want to focus your attention, guys, is that with our structural steel design components, we can create any shapes, any curves, and your own architects will be in love with the system next day. Just tell him about us, explain him, and say, I would love to make villa or my commercial project with this technology. Look and see how's the biggest console in here. And over here. Behind of me, the concrete mixer set. It's actually just a mixer with the special RPM system, which is integrated with the automatically foam and water injection, where you can add our Ecolit dry mix it together, and use the special pump, just fill it up to 20 meters up and about 50 meters length. So this is actually what doing us so individual and unique on the international construction market. This what make us different with other guys who related to legacy steel framing construction business. We package it, we design it, and we deliver it as a ready set components with the documents, approval, and technical engineering support. Came a couple of days ago to our construction site. Over here, the rolling group and CNC machinery components, which are going to produce 140 mil section stud. For what, you can ask me? We're using 89 and 140 combination to achieve that 4 and 3.5 up to 4-story buildings. Over here in Bali, because it's earthquake area, we're gonna use both of them together. So, oh, how light is it? Really? And you can, you can feel it on top. They put about 200 kg. There is nothing gonna happen with this. So, why I'm showing you this location, guys? This is actually the assembly point for our 4-story building. The first ground floor we're gonna make with the concrete slab, and then on top we're gonna raise 3 legacy steel framing floors for apartments and condos. You have seen our facilities in the hugest factory with Ecolit in Indonesia. You get a chance to join our community in your country, in your city. See you soon. All things that you have seen from our factory and facilities in Indonesia proved by patent certification and documents. The same concept and same process with the technical know-how, patent certification and test all around on the world. In each our factory, in each our office, we've got certified. Somewhere is the highest level, like in UK, till 6-story building. Somewhere is just a fireproof test, earthquake test, and water resistance, like here in Indonesia or in Bangkok. This is actually the first our manufacturing facilities and back office headquarters, let's say, in Asia. The next one gonna be in Phuket in this April 2025, and soon we're gonna start and launch Bangkok facilities. Join us, subscribe our channels. If you want to become our partner, learn about in the links below. WhatsApp me direct. I would love to hear yourself, to learn more about your business, your plans, your individual background. If you are in construction or architecture, in design or subcontractor, definitely we're gonna review your inquiry to become our partner.